Hey, it's Cathy. So I just want to take a moment and congratulate all of the nursing students who are getting ready to graduate here shortly. I know that you're not going to get the pinning ceremony or the graduation ceremony that you dreamed of during nursing school, but you should be so proud of yourself. I really urge you to reflect on how far you've come. Just getting into nursing school these days is such a challenge, right? But you put in the work, you got the grades, and you made it happen. And then you got through nursing school, which is brutal. So congrats to you for making it through. And as you start your journey as a brand new nurse, I really urge you to give yourself lots of grace and patience. There's so much to learn as a new nurse, and it can be stressful and overwhelming at times. But don't lose sight of why you started this journey, and just know that with time, you will feel more confident and capable. So congratulations again. I'm so proud of you. Best wishes for an awesome career, and don't be a stranger.